Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
It is a sunny day.
It is.
It is time to go to school.
It is.
It is my favorite toy.
It is.
It is raining outside.
It is.
It is a fun game to play.
It is.
It is bedtime now.
It is.
It is a beautiful flower.
It is.
It is my birthday today.
It is.
It is too hot to play outside.
It is.
It is a delicious cake.
It is.
It is my turn to play.
It is.
It is a big dog.
It is.
It is cold and winter.
It is.
It is a blue balloon.
It is.
It is time for lunch.
It is.
It is a soft pillow.
It is.
It is my favorite book.
It is.
It is a long walk.
It is.
It is very dark at night.
It is.
It is a pretty dress.
It is.
It is a red apple.
It is.
It is a fast car.
It is.
It is a nice drawing.
It is.
It is a small bird.
It is. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and share.